Hello all, I am Santan Lakshmi. My task is to detect the objects in an image or the video. So let me switch to the code. Yeah. So I am going to detect the objects using OpenCV. So the first thing I have done is I have imported all the necessary packages that I want. Okay. Next thing is we have to define name for the classes. I am going to use the pre-trained model of the OpenCV. I am not going to train the model for the object detection. There is a pre-trained model, so I am going to use that. So in order to use that, we have to define the classes, right? There are nearly 21 classes in this pre-trained model. So I have defined all the classes here, and for each of the classes I need to draw a bounding box around it. So for that I have chosen different colors. Like I have randomly initialized the colors, so each time when it is predicting, each object will be detected with different colors, so only for the visualization purpose. Next thing is I am going to load the pre-trained cafe model here using OpenCV. So this is the library that we are going to use, xcv2.dnn.readnet from cafe. This is a inbuilt library available in OpenCV. So you can download the model, that is MobileNet SSD prototext and MobileNet deploy.cafe model. You can download this. So once then you can load the model. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to detect an object in the image. So for that I'm going to read the image using the OpenCV. Okay, so I'm reading the image using OpenCV, and I'm taking the height and width. Next what I'm doing is I'm creating a blob. Blob means you're going to extract some specific part from the image, so that is blob. Okay, so I'm then here resizing it. I'm defining the mean values and etc. And next what we are going to do is we are going to pass the image to the loaded model. That's the model we have loaded here, right? So from this I am going to pass the image. Okay, this blob image I am going to pass. So here you can see I have passed the image. Then what we are going to do is I'm going to once it is passed, we can get the detections. Actually, what are the detections available in the image, or what are the objects present in the image. Then here I'm going to loop over this detections, and I'm getting the confidence from the detections. Here what I'm giving is I'm assigning the confidence threshold value. That is, if the confidence is above 60% or something, then only I'm going to show the image. Okay, show the detections in the image. So then after that, once it is detected, then I'm going to draw a box around that. This is the code part. Okay, so you can draw the box around the image. Then yeah, then I'm showing the image. You can see it here. Yeah, so this is the image that is been detected by OpenCV module. So this is person and this background is car. So you can see it here, right? So person 99% accuracy, and car is also 99% accuracy. And yes, we can also detect another objects in the video, but I didn't do it. I just detected images in the I detected objects in the image only. So that's all, guys. Thank you.